Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Today, I will be talking to you on importance of acquiring certificate courses, additional qualifications, attending seminars. Often members ask me this question after doing these 3 years CA course, a rigorous articleship training, world-class, famous, difficult exam. Do we need to study further? My experience of last 4 decades is any professional qualification like chartered accountancy is the beginning of the learning. For a professional, the knowledge is plant and machinery. And therefore, this plant and machinery need to be modernized, need to be updated. And this will happen only by participation in seminars, long duration courses, doing certificate courses, and doing diplomas, additional courses. Another query which comes to me very often is, which courses one should do? The answer to this is, what is my passion? What are the types of clients I'm getting, or I wish to serve the economy in those areas. So suppose somebody is interested in forensic investigations, then one should do a certificate course of our institute on forensic audit. One can additionally do an international course called Certified Fraud Examiner, done by Association of Certified Fraud Examiners. If one is interested in internal audit, there are certificate programs. There is also Institute of Internal Auditors conduct a program called Certified Internal Auditor. If one is interested in insolvency and liquidation practice, then one should do a course or pass an exam of insolvency professional conducted by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. So like this variety of the courses, if one is interested in mediation, then there is a 40 hours mediation course mandatorily to be done by a person. So like this, and after last year, March 2020, almost all courses are done on online basis. There are recorded videos available, the Coursera, Udemy, and there are many platforms where we can do these courses, and this will help us. Say, for example, there is a course, two type of course, certificate and non-certificate, a course done by Harvard University on justice. It's very, very popular course. Now, this will help us even in our direct tax practice. It will help us in GST practice. It will help us in our other consultancy area. Similarly, there are courses on MSME. There are courses on startups. So all these courses should be done. Then another query which comes to me is there any age limit to do the courses? The answer is, God has given us very unlimited memory and very powerful memory at any age. So I do 4 to 5 courses in a year. I enjoy doing the courses because then you get those who are your co-mates doing the courses, you learn from them. You learn from the faculties, you get their contact details. So if there is any difficulty, we can uh, talk to them. So there is no age limit. In fact, any limitation will be put by the self in their mind. So therefore, one should do these courses. It adds a lot of value when we apply for empanelment. Suppose if somebody want to become an independent director, then the courses on the independent directorship definitely helps. And now, we have national courses, international courses. Then another question which comes to me is, from where to do these courses? My answer is, try to do them from a recognized university, an Indian university or an international institute, so that when we write a particular qualification after our name, say for example, there is a diploma in IFRS conducted by ACCA. So that has so when you write diploma in IFRS in bracket, you write UK. So the service receiver has a impression of us, of a particular professional, in a different manner. So I would strongly recommend that one should do the courses, one should participate in the seminars, because what happens, the learned faculty, when they share their rich experience, and from the questions which we get the knowledge, one must become a member of various study circles. Now we have a subject specific study circles like RERA, internal audit. In each suburb, there are study circles. Or if I'm in other cities where there is a branch, I can start form a informal study circle or request the branch to have a study circle in the particular city. So please enjoy this experience of learning and having additional qualifications. This will be like upgrading the software, like how nowadays in the smartphone or other gadgets, new versions keeps on coming. So taking these qualifications is like upgrading the software within self, and we are increasing our value. So with this, I wish you a very successful professional career. Even the business persons need additional qualifications of their own industry to do better. Thank you.